CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.11 Given a scenario, configure relevant security settings in a browser. Browser plugins and extensions. Browser plugins and extensions are software components that integrate with your web browser to extend its functionality and provide additional features. You may also hear them referred to as add-ons. These tools can enhance the browsing experience by adding features such as ad blocking, password management, language translation, note-taking, productivity tools, and much more. In many ways, plugins and extensions allow users to customize their browsers to better fit their needs. Of course, as with many things in cybersecurity, convenience and risk often arrive together. When installing plugins and extensions, it is always safest to use trusted sources. Trusted sources typically include the official extension marketplaces for browsers such as the Chrome Web Store, Firefox add-ons, or the Microsoft Edge add-ons site. Plugins and extensions hosted through official marketplaces usually go through at least some level of review or screening process before becoming publicly available. While this does not guarantee that every extension is perfectly safe, it significantly lowers the risk of downloading malicious or poorly maintained software. It is also important to pay attention to the permissions requested by a plugin or extension before installing it. Some permissions are perfectly reasonable depending on the tool's purpose. For example, an ad blocker may need permission to read website content in order to block advertisements properly. However, if a simple calculator extension suddenly wants permission to read all your browsing data, control downloads, and manage browser settings, that should probably raise a few eyebrows. Sometimes the biggest warning sign is not what the extension claims to do, but what it wants access to, behind the scenes. Unfortunately, not all plugins and extensions come from trustworthy places. Installing plugins and extensions from untrusted sources can create serious security risks. Untrusted sources may include unofficial websites, suspicious links, pop-up advertisements, or files downloaded directly from random internet sources. Malicious plugins and extensions may secretly collect browsing data, track user activity, inject advertisements, redirect users to harmful websites, steal credentials, or even install additional malware onto the system. Attackers sometimes disguise malicious plugins and extensions as useful utilities, browser updates, or productivity tools, in hopes that users will install them without hesitation. In some cases, the extension may even function normally while secretly performing harmful actions in the background. Because of these risks, users should avoid installing plugins and extensions from unfamiliar sources and should stick to well-reviewed tools from reputable developers whenever possible. Reading reviews, checking download counts, and verifying the developer can also help reduce the chances of installing something malicious. Another topic we need to cover is browser feature management. Browser feature management involves enabling or disabling browser components such as plugins, extensions, and built-in browser features based on security and usability needs. Not every browser feature, plugin, or extension needs to remain enabled all the time. Unused plugins and extensions can increase the browser's attack surface, meaning they create additional opportunities for vulnerabilities or malicious activity. Disabling or removing unnecessary plugins and extensions helps reduce these risks while also improving browser performance in many cases. At the end of the day, plugins and extensions can be incredibly useful, but they should always be approached carefully. Installing them only from trusted sources, reviewing requested permissions, avoiding suspicious add-ons, and managing browser features responsibly all help reduce the risk of turning your web browser into an unexpected security problem. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.